What's good, y'all? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. It is nice and sunny out today. You know that rise and shine.
We're gonna wake Stormy up and get out of here and show you guys her room. Rise and shine.
I'm gonna show you guys how to make your car louder for free. We all like free because free is me. You feel me? So it takes like not even probably like 15 minutes. So these cars come stock with valves in the car. So when you put your car in sport or sports plus mode, the valves like slightly open, probably like 1/3 of the way. I can show you guys what it looks like right now. Like right now they're closed, or they should be closed. So the exhaust tips, I know it's probably dark up in there. I don't know if y'all can see. In layman's terms, we're gonna make the car loud all the time. Right? Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have the valves open all the time so it can just flow through from the cats, the engine, all the way back. And we're gonna see if we like it. Yeah, that makes sense. That should make sense to y'all.
Okay.
Y'all ain't dumb. I know y'all. We here with it. All right. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to open the flaps. It's pretty easy. Right before you start the car, all you have to do is put in accessory mode, and then put it in sports plus mode, and then push all the way down on the gas pedal, and then you'll hear like a click. So that's when the valves are opening. And then you can turn off the car, go under the car, unplug the two plugs on the side of the exhaust, and then I'm laughing because I hope this is making sense. And then I'm gonna show y'all anyway, so I'm just trying to explain it. And then it should be open all the time. All we're gonna do is zip tie the plugs and we're good. I'm gonna just show y'all and y'all gonna see and it's gonna make sense. All right, thing we gotta do is get in the car. I'll just leave this open. And y'all gotta listen carefully because I ain't got to show you like it opening. So when you first put in accessory mode, I think it closes. Say y'all heard that? It was like a little click. Not the BMW chime, it was like a little click like that. See, it sounded like it just closed. So you put the car in accessory mode, don't put your foot on the brake and push the start button, just push the start button. Let's go see if we can see it. Because it should be closed right now. Dang, you can't see it. It's dark up in there, bruh. Let me see if I can use my flash on my phone. Y'all see it? Let me see if I can even see it. Oh, it's way back there. It's way in the back. I can see it. But it's closed. Just trust and believe. Trust and believe it's closed. And then, so you're going to put it in Sports Plus mode. So that's my M2 button. You can confirm it. And then you're going to push down on the, don't mind my toes. Y'all heard that? That means it's open. And then you can go ahead and turn off the car. Why does it sound like it just closed when I turn off the car? Let me see. Oh, I can't see this joint. Nah, it's open. Wide open. Wide open. It's gonna be so loud. Okay. It's open, car's turned off. Now we just go under the car and disconnect that wire right there on the left. Right there. On both sides. So I got the other one off down there. So I figured out how to do it. So get you a pick tool, like regular pick tool like this. There's this little tab up here. Dang, this is hard to do. Let me get under the car. Alright, this is a little tab. Alright, so what you're gonna do is get you a little pick tool like this. It's this tab right here. You're gonna stick it under the tab and pull. I can't do this while recording. Let me see.
You ready, bro?
So this on me, it is. I got both connectors out. It was honestly a pain to get out. BMW connectors are insane. So I was watching some videos. They said get some electrical tape and tape around this, and then just zip tie it somewhere so it doesn't move around. So why I haven't learned by now, like, you see a job on YouTube, it takes them 15 minutes. You know what? Double it, triple it, because you ain't doing it in that time. They don't be knowing what they doing. I mean, obviously they do because they get the job done. But when you try to do what they doing, just triple the time. Like, this is supposed to take 15 minutes, but that plug, getting both out, good like 45, just to get a plug out. Like, I don't understand. But, you know, I'm not even gonna be mad because I should have known this by now. I shouldn't have even stressed myself out. Okay, mad. Oh no! For this one, I tucked back up there. Used to be plugged in right there, so it's just back there. It's out the way, it's tight up there, and it ain't moving. I could have tucked it back here, but I think it's closer to the exhaust tip, so it probably gets hotter over there. So I cut that, and then we're gonna be all Gucci.